Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and if you're looking for a pick-me-up in the afternoon, I've got a good one for you. This is Monster Energy Ultra Rosa. So a couple things that I love about this is, first of all, look how pretty this can is. Are you kidding me? That's gorgeous. I love it. Another thing I like about it is the flavor. It is so good. It tastes like a strawberry starburst. It's wonderful. Like I said, it gives you that 2 o'clock pick-me-up that you need. My husband drinks them in the morning to help him wake up, but me, I need a 2 o'clock pick-me-up after chasing the kids around and the pets and everything that moms and wives do. I need something in the afternoon to get me through the rest of the day. And this has really helped me. Well, another thing I like about it is it's 0 sugar. It has 6 carbs in the whole can, 0 sugar, and it is only 10 calories. So you can't beat that. It's like you're having a little treat for yourself. So I really like these. I really think you will too. And that's my point of view.